quick. You're going to go to this site right here, which I will actually put in the notes, so we'll give you a link, and there's a button right here that says freeze my credit. Once you click that, it's going to take you to a 3-part system. All right, obviously because we're doing this as a video, I'm not going to put my personal information in here. They're going to ask you basically your personal information. But one thing I want to bring up about TransUnion is during create your account, it's going to ask you to create a pen. They don't create pens for you. Do not use a pen that you normally use as a security pen anywhere else. Either get a random generator or randomly pick numbers. But as soon as you create that pen, you need to write that pen down. That pen is crucial for you to be able to unlock your freeze. All right, if you don't have that pen, there's 1,000 hoops you got to go through. So create a random one or get a random generator to create one for you, and then write that pen down. That is absolutely crucial. Now, once you go over to verify your identity, it's going to pull your credit report. It's not a hard pull, so it's a soft pull. And it's going to ask you some questions about a couple of trade lines, like, okay, you got a car last year, who is the lender, or how much is the payment? If there's 4 answers, and then the 5th one says none of the above. If it's not there, if you don't have the lender, like who is the lender, and there 4 people are not your lender, click the none of the above. That is how the bureaus are testing to make sure it is you. Once you finish through the verification, there's a quick button that just says freeze my credit. Great for protection, and the best part, it's free.